Hey guys, I want to take a little bit of time today and go over a knife, kind of a recent mail call, and take a look at the Hinderer Eklipse. Hinderer Eklipse is one of Rick Hinderer's tougher built tactical folders, more designed for hard use. This happens to be the variant that is the FD or the flipper delete. And I picked this knife up on a drop because it was available. I had really gotten smitten with Hinderer knives since I picked up my first 3-inch XM18 from Brother Dark Gravity, who hooked me up. And it's just turned out to be a fantastic knife with a Skinner blade. After that, I picked up a 3.5-inch XM18. I love that knife. And when I saw that the Eklipse was going to be available in a flipperless model, I decided to get that. I won't go through specs with you guys because you can go to Rick Hinderer's site and look at specs. This particular one is built out of 20CV. It does have the battle bronze lock side, and then it's just got an OD green G10 scale. Do a couple of quick size comparisons of this knife just so you can get an idea where it falls into the size spectrum. First off, let's take a look at it against the Cold Steel 4MAX. See there, it's a little bit smaller than the Cold Steel 4MAX. And then let's take a look at it up against the Wee Baby Banner. And it is going to be indeed smaller than the Wee Baby Banner. What surprised me is when I was looking at this knife compared to the XM18 3.5-inch. It's just a little bit longer. It's got a little bit longer handle. The handle's designed a little bit differently, and when you hold both these knives in your hand, you can tell why. Again, it goes down to the use that the knife was intended for versus a working knife versus more of a tactical knife. Let's look at a couple of knives that we might all be a little bit more familiar with. Let's look at the Paramilitary 2. And let's look at the Bitchmade Bug Out. So it's right in there around the size of the PM2 and a little bit larger than the Bug Out. So again, these are available through eKnives. It's an eKnives exclusive. There's another drop at 5 p.m. Central Time tonight. And my understanding is eKnives is going to continue to bring this model out. And again, it's the Hinderer Eklipse. It's a fantastic knife. I enjoy it. I haven't put it through its paces yet, but I'm stoked to have it. Stoked to bring it to you guys. Remember, look out to the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy and gal to your right. Look out for each other, agree to disagree, and love one another. That's all I got. Peace.